Hi, I'm Steve with Absolutely Floored, and I want to thank you for checking out our video. I'd like to introduce some of the product lines that we have that are 100% Canadian made. Particularly, one of our best-selling lines is Vintage, and Vintage is made in the Northern Ontario region called the Muskoka region, and all the floors are 100% FSC certified. These, all the products are going to be as environmentally friendly as possible. But the real benefit of these ones is they're amazingly stylish and they're amazingly well built. A lot of these products are what they call solid sawn, where they're 3/4 inch thick like a solid hardwood, but they're structured in such a way that they're made to withstand any of the biggest climate shifts in regions of Canada. So I'd really recommend checking out the Vintage products on the website. Also, another really exciting product that we have is called Lauzon, and Lauzon is made actually in Quebec. Lauzon features a new state-of-the-art technology where they actually, the finish that they put on it called Pure Genius helps improve the indoor air quality of the house in which they go in. And all that is explained on the Lauzon website on how they do this. But Lauzon comes up with some of the nicest products. They have similar cores to the Vintage products, where they're going to be amazingly, resistant against any kind of climate shifts or anything like that happens in Canada. The durability is great, and they're 100% Canadian made with all these Pure Genius lines. We also feature Appalachian Hardwood, another line from Quebec as well, and they have some really nice looking products that have a natural oil finish. They also feature their very own nano-urethane feature they call the Evershine finish, which makes them a lot more scratch resistant, sort of like the titanium finish with the Lauzon, making them some of the premium hardwoods on the market. I definitely recommend checking out the showroom, Unit 5, 3160 Westwood Street in Port Coquitlam, and take a look for the samples yourself. You're always more than welcome to come down, borrow some samples, and we can provide you with a free estimate for any of the products that you choose. Our website is www.abfloored.com. Please have a look for yourself. Thanks again.